Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago and in today's video we are going to cover the best Monad Testnet Airdrop tutorial that you can find in YouTube. This is a step-by-step tutorial with everything that you need to do one by one, everything from trading platforms, NFT collections, all the ecosystem of Monad in one video, going step by step with everything that you need to do. So if you are behind this project, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Everything that I cover in this video is in the first link of the description in my post. You have all the step-by-step tutorials. So even if you don't understand too much on crypto or you are beginning or airdrops, you will be able to use this guide. Just a very quick recap, Monad has more than 244 million in funding, is one of the most expected projects right now. They launched the testnet last week and just in a couple of days of testnet, you can see the amazing stats that they have from this platform in terms of validators and everything that they launched. They have already many projects on their testnet, and yes, of course, it's super farming. So I cannot guarantee that we are going to have any good reward from this testnet, but it's not difficult to apply at this moment. There is no official point system. So you basically need to do everything that you can in their ecosystem. Let's go directly to the step-by-step. First of all, go to the testnet. You can join here using native testnet support chains. Like the recommended wallet is Phantom. You can use it Backpack, but you can also use your EVM compatible wallet, or you can add manually the testnet into your wallet. In my case here, I will use the MetaMask and I will use the Monad Testnet here on this EVM wallet. When you connect, automatically you will see that it's adding the Monad Testnet, so you can confirm in your MetaMask and you are fine. Now the second point is the Faucet. So you need to have Mon tokens, which is a native token for Monad. That is why we also know that it's going to be a token and possible airdrop. And the Mon is the token that you will pay the transactions. So for everything that we are going to do, you need this token. So first you have the official Faucet that is down a lot because there are a lot of demands. But basically when you're connected on the testnet, you can put here your wallet, click on get testnet Mon, and you will receive a little bit to start doing transactions. But I will share with you other forms to get these tokens so you don't miss the opportunity. One of them is you can connect your Telegram in Mozy Finance and you can get 0.1 Mon every 24 hours. So here at app.mozy.finance, connect with your Telegram, you will see a faucet that you can get that amount. So that is another way to get Monad tokens each day. Then you can use Third Web, you can verify your email and get 0.01 Monad per day. So this is another way to get it. In third way, you have the Monad Faucet here. Again, you need to connect your wallet and be verified with your email. And another faucet that you can get is the APR Labs. So you can claim Mon every 24 hours. So here at stake.apr.io, in the faucet, you can connect your wallet and also ask for some faucet tokens. So there are many ways to get faucet tokens. You will find probably another options to get faucet tokens. And if all these free forms doesn't work, you have also a way to buy some Mon tokens. That is what I did. Just with a couple of bucks, you can buy some tokens. That is our point 3. So you can go to GasZip and buy some Mon tokens. Shout out to Blicky, one of our top airdrop hunters on our private Discord. He has been covering also the launch of Monad and he posted this in our private Discord. Now it's from public knowledge, so you can also find it elsewhere. But yeah, we were ahead. So we already bought a ton of Mon tokens for our testnet purposes. So you can go here to GasZip, connect your wallet, and here you can search for Monad. Down here you can see Monad Testnet, so click there. Once you can see selected here, you can see here on selected chains Monad Testnet. You can see the amount that I have there. Here you can select from where you want to pay. You can pay $2, $10, 20 or 50, and you can see how much Mon tokens you are going to receive. So with $10 you get 30 Mon tokens, which is a lot, and with $2 you can see you get 5.8 Mon. So that is also a lot for doing everything that you need to do. So you just need to select here one of the chains that you want to use to buy. Here you have the wallet that you will get the funds, and then you can just click here to get the faucet. And besides that, you can see that you have a Monad Testnet here, so you can get 0.25 each 6 hours. But yeah, you can see in this wallet I have 5.9 Mon tokens that I bought here on Gassit. So that is point 2 and 3, how to get faucet tokens and buy tokens. Let's move into things that you can do here. The first thing, point 4, you can make your swaps on 3 meme coins on the testnet. This will interact with Uniswap testnet, but you do this down here on the Monad testnet itself. You can keep going down, and down here you can see make your first trade. So you can enter the amount of Mon that you want here. So buy these 3 meme coin tokens. That will be the first thing that you can do. Again, just put the amount and click on buy the token that you want, confirm the transaction on your wallet, and you are done. Now point 5, there's a collection that is interesting that you get the NFTs. So you can go here to the link and you can mint your Chunk Star special, that is an open edition. So this is free for you to do. Just click here on the link, connect your wallet, and then you can mint. Now once you are connected, just click on the mint button and you can mint it. So this is already minted on your wallet. Now point 6, we want to deploy a contract on Monad Testnet that also put us ahead of many people. But now you have 2 options. One, you can do it here on the official documentation. You can deploy a smart contract on Monad using Remix. We did this on many other projects, but they have step by step. So even if you don't know too much about programming and you are not a developer, you can just follow these steps, go into the IDE of Remix, click on start coding, follow all these steps, and you will be able to do it. You just need to paste this Solidity code, so everything is going to be here. I recommend you to follow these steps, are really easy to understand if you just apply to this. So doing this, you will be able at the end down here to deploy a contract on this platform. Now the other way to do it, very easy with just one click, is in Auto, go to Finance, Deploy, on Chain you select Monad Testnet, or you just use the link that I put. Just connect your wallet, click on deploy, and you are done. So deploying a contract is already important, so do the point 6. Now moving to the point 7, you want to register your domain on Nedd domain. This is one of the first domain register platforms on Monad. So go there, connect your wallet, search for your name and register. I would recommend you to do more than once, but again, registering your Nedd name is very important at this point. After you do that, moving to point 8, we want to swap some Mon tokens for many other tokens in all these platforms. You have Bean DX, so here's the link for Bean. You have Bpox, LFJ, so many of these platforms you just can go here, connect your wallet on Monad. You can see you can trade Monad for any other token that you have here. Just do a couple of trades here and there in this platform and in the other platforms that I commented, so you have some transactions and contract interaction with many protocols. So after swap, you can also stake. So you can stake your Mon. Initially do it in APR. You will get APR Mon when you stake. So go here, connect your wallet, and staking your Mon, you receive APR Mon. Another platform to do this is in Magma. This is a liquid staking protocol that raised 3.9 million. So it's another great opportunity for a future 2-in-1 airdrops, because Magma doesn't have the token yet. So you can go to Magma and get Shimon when you stake. So you can see here, connect your wallet, very similar to any other protocol that you already use it in another protocol. So put the amount of Mon that you want and receive Shimon in return. So with that, we already swap, register domains, stake it. Now you can trade. So in KuruDX, you can start trading. So you need to deposit funds there. Of course, this is testnet, so you just need to do some trades to generate volume there. That is another important thing to do, the point 10. Now point 11, lend and borrow, and you can see how we are interacting on everything on the DeFi ecosystem. Just go here, connect your wallet, you can borrow and lend, so supply tokens here. Of course, you can trade it in the other platforms that we mentioned, and you will be fine. So borrow and supply to get some interactions in Kinsa Finance. Now point 12, we move into NFTs. For NFTs, we have many collections, and guys, there are too many collections on Monad. Some of them are these. for Magic Eden. This is free also to do. Just go to this one. It's going to end in 1 day and 17 hours at the moment that you are seeing this video. So it's really easy to do. It's optional to put your email if you want, but if not, just connect your wallet. This is an open edition in Magic Eden, so it's very important if you are seeing the video right now to mint this. You also have the Monadverse, so you can go here to Monadverse and mint this one, connect your wallet, and also you can mint the Monadverse NFTs. So this is a great one. Another one I already mentioned before, Lil Chalk Stars. This is an open collection, also free. And finally, we have Morky. So you can mint this. It will cost you a little bit of money, but I think it's worth it also. Again, this could give you also 500 experience points for the winner there. So again, nothing is confirmed with these NFT collections, and there are many more. If you go from the official disc, you will see a ton of NFT collections. I would recommend you to follow the ones that are in the Discord and discuss it there, because you probably are going to mint stuff or maybe pay minting stuff that are not worth it. But with this, we already covered 4 collections that you can mint right now. Moving on, we have Nedd Fan. This is like PanFam. So you can launch a meme coin, you can buy and sell memes also. Just go here, connect your wallet again, no different to another protocol. There's a referral program if you want to use it. So you can go here for the last traded, you can click here in one of the tokens that you like and you can buy some amount of tokens here if you want. The minimum in this case is 0.5 MON, but also you can go and create your own NFT if you want. Not much to add on that one, very similar to PanFam. Now 14, we have Monad Fantasy. You can sign up with X and you can buy and sell your cards. This is also a platform recommended to do. It's in the official testnet of Monad Fantasy, so you can just register and play for free. You can claim your free cards initially on registration. There's a tournament starting in 16 hours at the moment of recording, so just started when you are seeing this video. So great opportunity here on Monad Fantasy. Try to interact with this one. This was also commented in the official pages on the Discord, so it would be nice if you can do it. Now point 15, we have Multiply. It's a world first RWA yield protocol which is backed by huge VCs. It's already on Kaito Connect, which means that they will launch a token too, and you can do a 2-for-1 airdrop here. So you can connect your Monad Testnet wallet. Initially you claim some 50 USDC and USDT on Monad Testnet and you can stake them. By staking you get T or B, which could be converted to RB in the future. So go to Multiply, you can get your USDC and everything when you connect and join here. Again, you have rewards, leaderboard, everything like a point system project. And once you stake, you are going to start receiving those tokens. And guys, with that, we already covered all the different projects that you can use, NFT collections and everything. Now, point 16 is the Monad ecosystem. So you can go here and check more projects that are going to be launched there. Point 17 is an official guide of Monad, which basically I already covered in the things that we did. So most of this is already covered. So you don't need to really go into this one, but it's interesting to check so you are up to date with everything. The important thing of this guide, it was the fantasy of Monad that I already mentioned. I recommend you to start playing and interacting on that one. And finally guys, what is going to give you advantage on this airdrop is if you join the Discord of Monad, because in the Discord you can see live everything that is coming new and NFT collections and more that could give you an advantage on this airdrop. But besides that guys, with this guide you already cover everything step by step on all the most important things on the Monad testnet right now. If you want more alpha information about Monad, I recommend you to join a private Discord. It's very cheap guys. We have a specific channel for Monad airdrop, and of course I have my airdrop application where you can follow all these steps on my app, apply with multiple wallets and everything. There's a video here on my website that you can see on how my app works. We launched the version 2.0 a couple of months ago, so now it's super complete with alarms and more stuff that will tell you exactly what you need to do on each of these airdrops when you set your alarm. So join to my private Discord, join to my application. The prices are still the same than 2024. We probably are going to increase them very soon. And that will be all for this best Monad airdrop testnet airdrop tutorial. This is the most complete guide that you are going to find right now in YouTube. Following this and joining to the Discord Monad, you are done. If you want more alpha, make it easy for you, join my private Discord and airdrop application. That will be all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.